Okay, everybody, so today I'm going to explain to you how to complete these lessons. So we're continuing our unit in long E and how we can make the long E sound sometimes with one E, sometimes with two E's, sometimes with E and A, and then sometimes with Y. So letter D says draw a line from the picture to each word that rhymes with beak. Remember, rhyming words have the same ending sound. So if we're looking for words that rhyme with beak, I'm looking for the same ending sound, eek, eek. So there's a bunch of arrows already here, and you're going to drag your mouse on top of one to click it. Once you click it, two little dots are going to appear on each side for you to make it longer. So this word leak rhymes with beak. So I want to draw an arrow going that way. So I clicked it, and I'm going to drag one of these blue lines all the way over here to make the arrow bigger, okay? This word is keg. That ending sound is egg, and that doesn't rhyme with eek, okay? Let's look at the next one, meek. Even though it has different spelling, this one has double E, where this one has EA. They still rhyme because they have the same ending sound, because the E and the A and the double E both make the long E sound, and they both end in K. So meek rhymes with beak. So I'm going to click on the arrow, and I want to drag one of these blue dots over to the word meek. Okay, so then now you're going to do the rest. Okay, so now you're going to click the correct homophone for each word meaning. A homophone is a word that sounds the same but has a different meaning. So here's two homophones. You can tell that they sound the same, meat and meat, but they have different spelling. M-E-E-T, M-E-A-T. Okay, so number one says food that comes from an animal. Okay, so it's meat, but is it M-E-E-T or M-E-A-T? Now take a look at the pictures. I know that they're small, but they are there to help you. This picture is a bunch of people gathered around, and this is a picture of some steak. So what is the food that comes from an animal? Which spelling of meat? M-E-A-T. You're going to drag the green box over. Okay, the next one says not strong. Okay, well that means weak. So we have two different spellings of the word weak. W-E-A-K and W-E-E-K. This week right here, we have a picture of somebody lifting weights. And this week right here, we have a picture of a calendar. Which one of those is weak, like not strong? This one, W-E-A-K. The other week means like the 7 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's a week. Okay, and so you're going to continue and do the rest on your own by dragging these green boxes to the correct word. Use the pictures to help you. Good luck.